You know, a question as a math instructor that I get pretty often from my students is, when am I ever going to use this math? Why do I have to learn all of this math? And I have a couple things that I say to them about that. For one, some of you are going to go on to become researchers or doctors or people who analyze things in the environment, and there's everything involved in that is mathematically related, and you have to know how to read that information. But some of my students say, I'm not going to go into one of those fields. I'm not going to be a scientist or a researcher. Well, of course, you never know what the future holds, but maybe you're right. Maybe you will never do one of these math problems again. Maybe you'll never have to solve a quadratic formula as long as you live. The thing is, if you don't know how to do it, you will never use it. But if you do know how to use it, you'd be surprised how many applications it has to do in your life. And still the students tell me, oh, come on, I'm never going to use this stuff. What am I going to take with me? You will take still 3 things with you. You will have learned to look closely at a problem and notice every detail and make sure that you have a plan and that you have follow through, and then you can make it to the end and find the correct solution to your problem. These problem-solving skills relate to any kind of problem. Math problems, problems on the job, how to arrange the furniture in the living room. Solving problems is all mathematical thinking, and you will learn those skills. When you can pass your math classes, you will show future employers that you have determination and follow through, that you aren't the kind of person who gives up when the going gets tough. You will stick your nose to the grindstone and stay with it and get it done, no matter how hard the challenges become. And why math? Why do we have to prove those things with math? Well, math is one of those few topics that actually activates the left side of your brain and gets you to be a more well-rounded thinker and more balanced. You will become a better student in all of your studies, whatever goals you're trying to achieve. So if you ever wonder, when am I ever going to do this math problem again? Just remember, you probably won't do that math problem again, but what you will do again is use the thinking skills that you have developed and perfected in your math class.